So my teacher is the Holy Spirit. And the first thing he had to tell me, teach me, was he said, Amara, nobody is a standard. You know, coming from a Christian background where I've practiced religion all my life, you know, we've been taught that this is how Christians are supposed to be or are supposed to look. You know, we are told that you put on earrings, put on makeup, put on trousers, you put on, you know, all these things, and you're no longer a true Christian. You're a sinner, you're an unbeliever. So because of that, when we see other people looking in a certain way, we just assume that they are sinners or they are unbelievers. But that's not what he taught me. He taught me that we are all different vessels that he created to be used differently. The way the Holy Spirit speaks to you is different from the way the Holy Spirit speaks to me. He will speak to me differently. He has the audience he wants to get through me. He may speak to Joyce Meyer differently, yes, with makeup and everything, but he still uses her in her own special way. He speaks to another person. You can see a person may have tattoos. I'm not saying tattoos are good or bad. I'm not the one to judge that. But that is how he wants his vessel to look like. As Christians, we are ambassadors of Christ. So he will tell you how he wants you to represent him, how he gives you the permission to look the way he wants you to look. That's the first step. So nobody is a standard. Nobody is a standard. And remember, I'm not sharing all this because I'm perfect. I'm just the delivery guy.